What's the deal with the health savings account, health reimbursement account? There's a lot of different things that go on when it comes to health insurance, and all these side analogies, HSA, HRA, IRA. I mean, unless you're a financial advisor, it's going to be hard to know all these different terms, and that's what you've got Castell Insurance for, to make sure you're staying up to date with all of your options. So today we're going to dive into what's a health savings account, how it could or couldn't work for you. Once again, I'm James from Castell Insurance. Make sure that you're clicking subscribe. We're passionate about educating our clients. We feel that people, once they know what they're buying and why they're buying it, you're gonna have a lot less confusion and frustration about insurance. It's a confusing topic. Stay tuned, subscribe below. We're gonna have lots of great information for you, so let's dive into what a health savings account is and how it could work for you. Health savings account is a special bank account that kind of coincides with an insurance policy. This is the type of policy that will have the initials after it, HSA, health savings account, go figure. And what it allows you to do is put money into a special bank account. It's going to be hosted somewhere. You can find a local bank, you can find an online bank, health savings account, bank account, where you're able to put money into that account. Every year, the government sets a certain amount that you can put in each year. There are reasons for this. Money that goes into that account is tax deductible. You're able to take that off of your income tax. There's a catch. Sounds too good to be true. Kind of is. What you have to do to qualify to have a health savings account and to deposit money in there each month, each year, and deduct it from your taxes, you have to enroll in a health savings account insurance policy. So you have to have one to have the other. Chicken, egg, egg, chicken, don't really care which route you go, but you gotta have both the health savings account insurance policy and the health savings bank account. The way that the health savings account works for your insurance is this is gonna be considered a higher deductible policy. A little bit higher risk, less benefits on the front end. The government is giving you a break for saving for those expenses, but they also know that you're not getting a ton of robust coverage up front. So a lot of people enjoy this if they're relatively healthy, if they don't mind paying a few bills here and there, and if they have a big surgery, they know they're gonna have those high out-of-pocket costs, but they can actually go into that health savings account bank and pay for them. So I'm gonna give you an example. A household of two can put a certain dollar amount here every year, and if they had to have a big surgery, maybe their policy has a $6,000 deductible. That means they're gonna pay the first $6,000 of anything that happens. Walk in the door, they're paying the first MRI, CAT scan, surgery, all that up to $6 grand. But they can go into that health savings account where they've earned money and write a check, use a debit card, and pay for it. So the health savings account coincides with a health savings account insurance policy. It allows you to build a balance to pay for those expected, but hopefully rare big bills. The main benefit that a lot of people love about this are twofold, two benefits. Tax deductible, so you can put this amount in a policy each year for a family of two, and it's not use it or lose it. This sits in the account and stays year after year. So if you have 5 healthy years in a row and you deposit this amount every year, 5 times that number, you're gonna get a lot of money built up in case you have one of these surprise events. So family of 4, you're healthy, you're putting a few $1,000s every year into that account, and Junior goes out and breaks his leg while riding dirt bikes. Well, guess what? That surprise $6,000 hospital bill, you've got an account that you can pay for it. And the beauty of that account is you didn't pay taxes on that income. So whatever you deposit in there is tax deductible. So it's gonna come off of your income tax. Again, as you're noticing, insurance and taxes kind of go side and side. There's a lot of things that coincide there, and that's why it's always advisable to work with a professional CPA and a professional insurance agent who can help navigate what the right policy is for you. This HSA is right for a lot of people, but not right for everyone. So make sure you're finding out, is it gonna be the best option for you? And as always, stay up to date with more information from Castell Insurance. Click subscribe below so you're up to date for future posts, and thanks for tuning in. And if you need help with your health savings account analysis, give us a call.